Honestly, it's a travesty. It's a travesty that we're going to put a 7-year-old girl in front of a jury on these facts.
A little girl's words at the center of a trial. Assemblyman Joaquin Arambula back in court. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Stephanie Barugian.
And I'm Alexander Balakian. New tonight, sparks flying in the courtroom during day 2 of the trial for State Assemblyman Joaquin Arambula. His defense once again attacking Fresno Police Chief Jerry Dyer and clashing with the prosecution in front of the judge. Our Megan Roop following this story, and she joins us live. Megan, things really getting heated.
Yes, and at the center of it, a 7-year-old girl expected to eventually take the stand. We sat down with Chief Jerry Dyer today, who again refuted that defense team's statements. This as things got heated in court.
Dr. Arambula is a loving father and husband.
Heated moments in the misdemeanor child cruelty case for California State Assemblyman Joaquin Arambula.
Making that comment here in open court before this media is disingenuous.
The two sides clashing after prosecutor and Assistant DA Steve Wright used the term Jesse Smollett case in describing the two sides discussing a possible settlement. He says attorney Margarita Martinez Bailey had also used the term during an earlier meeting.
We're going to have a nice, calm trial. It's not going to be gamesmanship. You're all seasoned lawyers, and it's not necessary.
Judge Alvin Harrell tossing out a motion to have the case dismissed.
Honestly, it's a travesty. It's a travesty that we're going to put a 7-year-old girl in front of a jury on these facts and circumstances.
Defense also taking aim at the Fresno Police Department, which they said Tuesday had obtained certain CPS records illegally. Chief Jerry Dyer then disagreeing, saying certain emails were omitted from the defense's motion.
I invite and encourage Chief Dyer to release the emails that he says vindicates or explains that. I did not see them.
Chief Jerry Dyer sitting down with us Wednesday afternoon saying all emails were provided to the defense.
County counsel said yes, in fact, the police department had the lawful right to obtain those records, and the law had changed about 12 years ago that allowed for that to occur. So, as I said, it's much to do about nothing.
The defense planning to appeal to jurors, quote, well-versed in the school of life.
It's hard to call a 7-year-old a liar, but from a reality standpoint, 7-year-olds lie.
And the defense would not comment on the injury and why Arambula himself described spanking or talked about spanking his daughter. The defense only said Arambula would have his chance to tell his side of the story in the trial. Reporting live tonight in downtown Fresno, Megan Roop, KC24 Local News that matters.
Megan, thank you.